To connect with other players in Roblox on your PS5, start by launching the app and logging into your account. Launch Roblox on your PS5 by selecting the app from the home screen. Log in with your account credentials using the controller. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and select the Groups tab using your controller. Groups are community hubs for games and events. In the Groups tab, use the search bar to find groups by keywords. PS5 filters help narrow by console compatibility or popularity. AI may suggest groups based on your history. Find a group you like, then select it and choose Request to Join with a brief message. Public groups let you join right away, while private ones need approval from admins. Now you're ready to join groups and connect with other players on Roblox PS5. Roblox prioritizes your safety on PS5. Let's explore privacy settings and safety features in groups. To customize your privacy, navigate to the Settings menu on your PS5 controller. Use the D-pad to scroll and X button to select Settings, then Privacy. Control your group visibility in Privacy settings. Public groups appear in searches, while private groups require invitations only. As a group member, you can restrict who can contact you. Choose from No One, Friends Only, or Everyone to protect your privacy. Group admins have powerful tools for safety. Enable content moderation, banning features, and set data sharing preferences to comply with laws like GDPR and COPPA. For added safety, users under 13 have restricted access to certain groups. Roblox's automated systems monitor all interactions to prevent harassment. Two-factor authentication is now required for group admins. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your account and group. Roblox uses machine learning for real-time content filtering to automatically detect and block harassment and spam in groups. Roblox collects minimal data and is COPPA compliant. For children under 13, only username and email are stored, used solely for password recovery. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings. Stay safe and enjoy your Roblox experience on PS5.